What's up YouTube, I'm back again with another video and on our series mastering color grading in VideoPad. So in this series guys, we are talking about saturation, of which saturation is simply like making your colors to stand out, so it will refer to how clear the colors in an image or a video they are. So that's our aim in this video, is just to make sure how clear a certain color it is. So you saw on the previous video where I was using color adjustments, and let's just try to see if I can put like an exposure, too much of an exposure, how certain colors will look like. So yeah, we already have an idea from that saturation can be used to creatively to enhance like the mood or the style of an image or a video. So that's exactly what we will be doing, trying to enhance our colors, trying to make our colors to stand out, and try to correct the color imbalances. That's what we will be doing right now. So we come here. Saturation is one of a one knob kind of a thing. We stand from this area. Where do we find our saturation? That's what you hope you saw what saturation did. It just decided to boost the colors. So if you click here, we have like the presets. So I'll just click on less saturation, and I'll just after doing less saturation, I'll just click here, then I'll go to sharpening to make my image more sharp. We use this to make an image to be more sharp. Then we're gonna take this and put it downwards, and we take this, put it downwards again. We gotta decrease our sharpness. We definitely have to. So I want my image to be sharp, so I'm getting close to the color that I'm going for. I'm getting more close to the color that I'm going for. So guys, like saturation is very straightforward. It's just like the other effects we use. You can decrease, you can increase, trying to find what really works for you. So that is saturation. And we also use like a sharpening tool, just to make sure our image is still sharp, we are not losing anything. So we can try to put like in 5 here, just to try and see like how it will look like. So it's super sharp for me. So let's go back to 1, making 1 to be great. What else can we use to finalize this step? Okay. So guys, that's the end of the episode. It was very straightforward. So you can see like we're getting closer to the kind of the look that we are going for. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you on the next episode where we will be dealing with the final thing, which is the color curve. Thank you guys.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.